On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Confer.
To have a meeting or discussion, to come to a decision or agreement or exchange ideas, to bestow something.
Examples:
Confer degree. Confer honor. The leaders of the two countries met to confer on the issue.
Refreshments.
Small snacks or drinks provided to guests or participants at an event, typically to satisfy hunger or thirst temporarily.
Examples:
Appetizing refreshments. Buffet refreshments. The hotel offers complimentary refreshments for guests in the lobby.
Aft.
The opposite of forward, located at or towards the rear or back of a ship, aircraft, or other vehicle.
Examples:
Aft cabin. Aft view. The aft section of the ship suffered significant damage after the collision with the reef.
Remittance.
The act of sending money or paying a debt, a sum of money sent as payment or as a gift.
Examples:
Electronic remittance. Monthly remittance. The remittance of the payment was delayed due to a technical error.
Skyrocket.
To rapidly ascend to a very high level, increase rapidly.
Examples:
Skyrocket the cost. Price skyrocketed. Production has decreased, but costs and unemployment have skyrocketed dramatically.
Diaspora.
The scattering of a people who have left their traditional homeland.
Examples:
Diaspora migration. Diaspora community. The diaspora of the Jewish people has led to a worldwide community.
Outflow.
The leakage of fluid from a container, a natural flow of groundwater.
Examples:
Outflow fluid. Outflow of capital. After the valves were closed, the outflow halted.
Inflow.
A stream or movement of something, typically liquid or gas, that is flowing into a particular place or system, the amount of incoming resources or funds into a system or organization.
Examples:
River inflow. Inflow of refugees. The inflow of cash from investors helped the startup company grow and expand.
Capita.
A Latin word meaning head, used to express the amount for each person, any head or head-like expansion on a structure, as on a bone.
Examples:
Per capita sales. The agricultural yield per capita. GDP per capita shrunk by almost 10% for the third consecutive year.
Institutionalize.
To establish or make something a part of an institution, equals a place such as a university, hospital, etc.
Examples.
Institutionalize a system. Institutionalize customary laws. The new policy aims to institutionalize the use of renewable energy sources.
Stabilize.
To become or cause to become steady or unlikely to give way.
Examples.
Stabilize prices. Stabilize blood sugar levels. The raising of interest rates stabilizes the inflation rate.
Simplistic.
Oversimplified or lacking in complexity or depth, characterized by an attempt to explain something complex or multifaceted with overly vague or simple terms.
Examples.
Simplistic approach. Simplistic design. The politician's solution to the problem was too simplistic to solve the underlying issue.
Brigadier.
A military rank above colonel and below major general, a high-ranking officer in the armed forces, usually responsible for overseeing a brigade.
Examples.
Retired brigadier. Military brigadier. The brigadier's orders were clear and had to be executed without delay.
Kwashiorkor.
A severe form of malnutrition, typically affecting young children in developing countries, caused by inadequate protein intake in the diet, characterized by swelling of the abdomen, muscle wasting, and other symptoms.
Examples.
Kwashiorkor symptoms. Acute kwashiorkor. The child was diagnosed with severe kwashiorkor due to a lack of protein in their diet.
Ailment.
A slight but often persistent illness.
Examples.
Heart ailment. Age-related ailment. He got timely treatment for his physical ailment of severe back pain.
Chloroquine.
A synthetic drug used to prevent and treat malaria, as well as treat certain autoimmune conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus.
Examples.
Chloroquine resistance. Clinical trials on chloroquine efficacy. Patients with malaria are often treated with chloroquine medication.
Hydrate.
To add water or moisture to something. To drink enough fluids to maintain proper moisture. Noun, any compound that contains water of crystallization.
Examples.
Hydrate my skin. Acid hydrate. She drank water to hydrate her body.
Sentimental.
Connected with or resulting from someone's emotions, rather than reason or realism.
Examples.
In a sentimental mood. Sentimental damage. Stop being sentimental and always speak the truth.
Superhighway.
A large, wide road designed for high-speed traffic.
Examples.
6-lane superhighway. A toll gate of a superhighway. The university provides a wireless internet superhighway to its students.
Overtake.
To catch up to and pass by someone or something that is in front of you, usually about moving vehicles, to come to a point where you become more successful, important, or influential than someone or something else.
Examples:
overtake a rival, overtake a milestone. The race car driver knew he had to overtake the other drivers to win the race.
Gnaw.
To bite or chew on something persistently or nervously, to wear away at something gradually.
Examples:
gnaw a hole in a wall, gnaw at the national sentiment. She couldn't stop gnawing on her nails.
Hopeless.
Having no hope, despairing, having no chance of success.
Examples:
hopeless situation, hopeless at everything. After months of job searching, he felt hopeless and unsure of his future.
Disappoint.
To fail to meet someone or their hopes or expectations, to make someone feel sad.
Examples:
disappoint the audience. Don't disappoint me. She worked very hard not to disappoint her boss's expectations.
Proliferate.
To grow or increase rapidly in number, to reproduce or spread rapidly, especially in an uncontrolled manner.
Examples:
proliferate cells, proliferate weeds. The number of COVID cases continued to proliferate in many countries worldwide.
Electrify.
To make a machine or system work by using electricity, to make someone extremely enthusiastic about or interested in something.
Examples:
electrify the audience. Electrify a manufacturing process. The product developed through years of research continues to electrify the market.
Punchline.
The final sentence or phrase in a joke, which is intended to be funny or surprising and to bring the joke to a climax.
Examples:
have no punchline. The final punchline. The punchline of the joke was hilarious.
Econometrics.
The application of statistical methods to economic data to analyze, understand, and forecast economic phenomena.
Examples:
applied econometrics. Econometrics models. The latest econometrics techniques have helped in analyzing the complex economic situations with ease.
Takeaway.
A message or conclusion that can be taken away from a situation or piece of information.
Examples:
takeaway pizza. Takeaway message. The main takeaway from the meeting was the need for better communication.
Disgruntled.
Displeased, dissatisfied, or resentful. often because of unfair treatment or perceived injustices.
Examples:
Become disgruntled at work. Disgruntled customer. The disgruntled employee quit her job after being passed over for a promotion.